remove the screws that connect the lift system to the mattress platform. With the brakes on at the foot end of the bed, carefully pull the lift system out of the mattress platform. Make sure you don't disconnect it fully because the platform will drop. So removing the bolts on the mattress platform, it only applies to the head section lift system. You don't need to do that for the foot section. So from this point on, this is exactly the same procedure as you would use on the foot section. Undo the top two screws on the headboard. Remove the wooden cover. Reinstall the two bolts, and this just keeps them safe if you ever need to put the bed back to standard. So with the kit you get these plastic caps. They go over the holes in the lift system. To make installation of the Cosy easier, wipe the headboard down with a cloth and some furniture polish. Just give it a clean. Take the Cosy with the padded section to the front and install over the top of the headboard. Carefully slide it down the headboard. And then pull over the bottom corner. Finally, connect the hook and loop from the rear of the Cosy to the front hook and loop on the Cosy. So there's 4 sections. So finally, you push the lift system at the head end back into the mattress platform and reinstall the 2 bolts. Make sure you tighten them securely.